Pinky, Gachi, Sheer Valdez, Nadia Montenegro. Grabe kayo. Salamat. Maraming salamat. Hindi ko alam ang gagawin ko kung wala kayo. Nairomen, salamat. Salamat talaga. Sa mga anak ko, who prepared the Novena Mass, sila ang una kong natawagan nung wala ang mami. Sila ang unang tumulong sa akin. Babies, I love you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But thank you. I love you. Thank you. Sa asawa ko na hindi po siya Pilipino, pero gusto na niya maging Pilipino, baka naman pwede. Kasi sa lahat ng mga Pilipino na nakausap niya, kayo na po mag-Tagalog eh. Salamat na. Derek, I want to thank you for assisting us with the program tonight. Salamat, Derek. I'd like to thank the good Congressman Ron Salo, Commissioner Lenny De Leon, si Senator Jinggoy, walang tigil ang tawag sa akin, nangangamusta. Lot, kamusta ka, mga kapatid mo? To the Ejercitos, maraming salamat po. To Senator Bongo, to Senator Bong Revilla and Madam Lani Revilla, to Senator Alan Cayetano, to Mayor Lani Cayetano, to Senator Robin Padilla, who stayed with us for 10 hours on Mom's first day. Robin, Senator Robin, thank you. Thank you, Senator Robin, to you and to your whole team kay Betchay. Salamat, salamat, salamat. Hindi namin kaya kung kami lang. All of these good people extended their support and love to our family. To Miss Shirley Kwan, Tita Shirley, thank you for being my angel. To Tita Malu, for always guarding us every night. Alam ko nagbabantay ka sa amin, Tita Malu. To Tita Vivian Resio. Tita, thank you. There are no words. Salamat. To all officials of the NCCA and libingan ng mga bayani. Salamat. To all the fans of my mom, mahal na mahal niya kayo. Thank you for loving her. To our President and to our Madam First Lady, who stayed, and spent time with our family. Thank you for doing that. We really appreciate that and we're very, very, very grateful. Marami pa po akong gustong pasalamatan. Dad, I know you're there. We love you, Dad. Yun lang po. Pasensya na po kayo sa akin. Sa mga nag-alaga kay Mami, actually, I don't know them, Tita, eh. Hindi ko sila kilala. Sa mga nag-alaga kay Mami, kung sino kayong nandun, maraming salamat. Thank you. Tomorrow, tonight is our last night. please lang po, again, I would like to ask, no more picture taking.